TokyoPaul here. Today we're gonna make Japanese fried chicken or Japanese karaage in 3 steps. That's mix, batter, and fry. Let's go. So here are the ingredients for Japanese fried chicken, karaage. Take a moment to look over the ingredients. Alright, first we need a Ziploc bag. First we put the chicken in the Ziploc bag. These are the bite-sized pieces of chicken. Put that in the bag. And now we'll add the seasonings. First we start with the sugar. Actually, the order is very important because the sugar needs to bond with the chicken and make it real tasty. So let's squeeze and spread out the sugar. Just do this until it's mixed well. Next, we'll add the sake or cooking alcohol. Let's go. And we'll continue mixing. Next, I'm going to add the soy sauce. We're going to add the garlic. So here you go. Here's the minced garlic. There you go. Get that in there. And the ginger. There you go. So this, as we keep mixing, will be our marinated sauce. We're gonna put this in the refrigerator and mixing in real well. Put that in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Move most of the air. There you go.
Moments later.
All right, it's been 30 minutes. Taking the chicken out of the fridge. We're gonna put that chicken in the potato starch and a flour for double crispiness and dunk it into the potato starch like so. 1 and 2. And this will give it a more extra crispiness in the end. That one's done. So we have this piece. Here's the setup here. We want the oil to reach 160. That's here in the yellow section. Second time, we'll be waiting for the oil to get above 180 to 190 in the red section, and then we just fry for 1 extra minute. First time 3 minutes, second time 1 minute. Alright, as you can see, it's reached 160. I'm gonna start frying, and it's gonna be 3 minutes and 160, and we're gonna flip halfway through, like about a minute and a halfway through. Just look at it there. They're starting to fry. And the beautiful oil they're going to end up with a light brown coat. So the second dipping into the oil at 190 will give it a dark brown coat, which is really cool. All right, listen to that. Now we're flipping. All right. Now take out the chicken. Ooh. This is the light coating I'm talking about. At 190, let's fry for a minute at this temperature. Here we go. Alright, it's frying at 190 for 1 minute. Alright, there we go. Japanese karaage. Itadakimasu. All right, so let's start. Here we go. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.